of the Bollywood celebrities who have been reacting as far as and have been supporting our Jawans there, the Indian Defence Forces. But we also talk about the others as well who have been maintaining a cryptic silence for quite some time. And one of them has broken his silence. We are talking about Bollywood legend, which is Amitabh Bachchan. And he has now come out to extend his support to the Indian Defence Forces. Let's take a look, as those who are interested in social media would have been seeing that nearly for over 20 days, Amitabh Bachchan was maintaining complete silence as far as his numbered tweets are concerned on X. People were asking him why is he not extending or showing his support. And finally, we are looking at this message that has now come in from Amitabh Bachchan himself, where he has been saying कि छुट्टियां मनाते हुए उस राक्षस ने निर्देश पति पत्नी को बाहर खींचकर पति को नग्न कर उसके धर्म की पूर्ति करने के बाद उससे जब गोली मारने लगा तो पत्नी ने घुटने पर गिरकर रो रो कर अनुरोध करने के बाद भी उसके पति को ना मारो, उसके पति को उस बुज़दिल राक्षस ने बेहद बेरहमी से गोली मार दी। और उसके पति को मारने के बाद ये कहा, पत्नी ने विधवा बन गई। और जब पत्नी ने कहा कि मुझे भी मार दो, तो उस राक्षस ने कहा नहीं, तू जाकर डैश को बोल, बट दैट मीन्स दैट द प्राइम मिनिस्टर बोल। एंड हियर ही इज बीन आल्सो सेइंग ऑपरेशन सिंदूर, एज फार एज दिस इज द एंटायर सपोर्ट, जय हिंद की सेना, दैट ही हैज नाउ बीन एक्सटेंडिंग हिज सपोर्ट टू द इंडियन डिफेंस फोर्सेस। बट देयर आर सम अदर्स as well, as many of the fans of Bollywood legends and Bollywood superstars are questioning them that why they still continue to maintain silence. We head into a short break.